the window.
Oh my God! The Hagod is giving.
See your lips.
Ganda ng switching, no?
Autumn leaves.
Very soothing. Diba? Very dramatic, theatrical. The way that he's singing, very, very classic. What's up, everyone? It's me, your Sulitri John Valencia, and welcome back to Truly Asia Diaries. A mega love shoutout mga ka-RCFC. We are back for another reaction video for Ruel Carino, and this is for his performance of Autumn Leaves with the KDR Band. Nakareceive nga tayo ng request para bigyan ng reaction itong pinakabago niyang performance with the KDR Band. And of course, gusto ko lang talagang mag-thank you sa inyo guys dahil lagi yung tinatag si Ruel sa mga comment nyo sa mga reaction video. Aba, nag-comment po sa atin ang bunso natin na si Ruel Carino himself. Grabe, kinilig ako ng bongga-bongga guys. At pinost ko yan sa aking YouTube post. So, makikita nyo, hindi nyo ni-like. Charot. Nag-message siya talaga, comment siya sa isa sa mga reaction video natin. Kaya naman super happy tayo at sobrang kilig ang ating naramdaman. And Ruel, kung nanonood ka man, mega love shoutout sa'yo. You are such a great singer, a great music artist, and a certified concert performer, diba? Grabe, you're not only the clone of Matt Monroe, you are your own artist. Yes, and we always believe that in every performance that you do. Kaya naman, panoorin mo ulit itong reaction na to sana. Oo, sarap. Ano pa ba inaantay natin, guys? Let's go. Check this out. Alright, we are playing in 3, 2, 1, go. Ano ba itong Autumn Leaves, guys? This is the first time that I'm gonna listen to this. Full band pala talaga. Ang ganda naman ng white outfit ng Ruel. Ay, wala siyang salamin today. Very ballad yung datingan. Grabe, how many pieces of band is this? Like 8-piece band.
The falling leaves
Wow!
drift by the window.
Oh my God! The Hagod is giving. Alam mo yung parang sultry version ng Matt Monroe.
The autumn
Tumayo na siya.
leaves
Ang ganda ng low tone.
of red and gold.
Grabe yung hagod, no? Iba. At walang salamin si Ruel for today. Kitang-kita natin ang kanyang chinito eyes.
I see your lips.
Ang ganda ng switching, no?
The summer kisses.
Sobrang lambing.
The sunburned hands I used to hold.
Ooh, I love that enunciation and the way that he's saying it talaga. Grabe, iba ang datingan. Golden vocal talaga.
Since you went away,
Inayos niya yung upuan niya.
the days grow long, and soon I'll hear
Such a lullaby, no? Para tayong hinihili.
oh, winter song.
I love that styling.
But I miss you most of all.
Ganda talaga ng pagkakakanta niya. Yung the diction and enunciation, yung nagdadala eh. Kasi yun yung nagbibigay ng class, the way that he's singing, plus the vocal of Matt Monroe, that golden vocal, like baritone, low tone. It's so crisp.
my darling. When autumn leaves
Very soothing.
start to fall,
Diba? Parang ito yung mga kantahan kapag yung dalawa lang kayo ng iyong minamahal and then you're gonna reminisce and dance together. Ganun. Ang lambing lang ng dating ng performance. Diba? Very dramatic, theatrical. Medyo hindi goofy si Ruel for today's video, ah. Aww. Grabe yung huhu ng mga backup singer, guys. Nag-goosebumps ako. Parang medyo sumakit yung naging masakit yung kanta, guys. Ang dami ring nanonood, no? Grabe.
as usual.
Ay, bakit
Later.
putol?
Alin ko na to.
Bakit
Okay,
putol,
maraming
guys?
salamat.
Akala ko meron pa. There you have it, guys. That is Ruel Carino singing Autumn Leaves with a KDR band. Tama ba? Yes. Autumn Leaves, but by Matt Monroe with a KDR band. Grabe, nabitin ako doon na putol. Hindi ko lang kung putol yung performance, guys. You can comment down below. But, agree ba kayo? Di ba parang, hindi ko alam kung very solemn in a way na ang lambing nung kanta. Tapos, nung huli, parang naging masakit siya. Parang gano'n, parang sinaktan tayo dun sa huli. Tapos pinutol. So, hindi natin alam kung naputol talaga siya, guys. But, nonetheless, Ruel gave justice to the performance. The hagod is giving. The vocal is giving. The golden vocal talaga. Plus the diction and enunciation, the way that he's singing, very, very classic. Kaya naman, nakakabilib, a 14-year-old from the Philippines singing this song with a golden vocal of Matt Monroe. Sobra. Ruel is such an artist, not only the clone of Matt Monroe, but he is the artist himself. Yes, agree ba kayo dyan, guys? You can comment down below. And of course, kung nag-enjoy kayo sa ating reaction video for today, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell. Once again, my name is John. This is True Leisha Diaries. I'll see you on my next one. Spread happiness, guys. Bye for now.